Well, I'm not really sure how to process this, but I was officially fired because I post gut health videos on TikTok and also because I'm trying to start a Fiverr business. I was let go because of this. So I need to go clear my headspace and you guys can come along with me. We're going to go to the national. I've never seen an elk this close. That's a fucking buffalo, not an elk. I'm an actual idiot, and that's probably why I got fired. In my fucking life. I don't know if I'm supposed to be this close. Like, I don't know if these guys are vicious at all, but like, that is a beautiful looking animal. And now he's like rubbing on the table. I think he's got an itch. Should I go like get his itch for him? Holy shit, here's another one right on the fucking road. Look at this guy. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of lost out here, but I think this is the street we want. We are absolutely lost. We have no idea where we are. We are in an empty parking lot. Nothing in sight. A couple park benches in a building. And